Evening, everyone. Welcome, everyone. Welcome to the Legacy Builder English webinar. We have an English webinar one week, and then sometimes we have an Afrikaans webinar as well. We didn't have one last week because we had a big English webinar in the big community. And welcome, everyone. Welcome to the Legacy Builder webinar tonight here for the digital crew. We are so good to have you here. We are really honored to have you here tonight. And please let us know, where are you guys watching from? I am from Cape Town. It is a little bit chilly today. Apparently, it's going to be a nice hot day tomorrow. Um, Welcome, guys. Jeffreys Bay. Oh, we got Jeffreys Bay in the house. Namibia. Hello, Jeanette. Awesome. Nice and hot there. How's Gauteng this evening? Is it cold there as well? Oh my goodness, guys. Well, can you believe it? In a month's time, little than half a month's time, it's going to be flippin' spring day. Can't believe it. Stellenbosch. Hello, Liz. I'm waving at you. So, guys, welcome tonight. It is so nice to have you tonight. Let me just share my screen. Um, you are tonight here with the Legacy Builder program. I don't know how you got here tonight, whoever invited you tonight. It is really an honor to have you here tonight. Please keep yourself muted for the time, but please do not um, do not hesitate to ask any questions. At the end of this presentation, please, you are welcome to, we're going to give you a chance to ask questions. So grab your notebook. If you have any questions, write it down. And remember, there's no such thing as a bad question, okay? So my dad always used to say, if you don't ask, you don't get, and you'll never learn. Okay. So let's start off, guys. Let me just present myself here. Thank you, Laken. Let's see. Full screen. Awesome. Okay, awesome. Let me see. There you go. For those of you who don't know me, hello, my name is Alana Sykes. I'm a single mom from South Africa in Cape Town, and I used to work a 9 to 5 most of my life. And I was an anxious mother. I was a depressed mother. I was a stressed out mother most of the time. For over 25 years, I worked for employers. So, who of you are working a 9 to 5? Who's you? Any of you that ever lost your job? Because I lost my job. Yes, I can go on. I can take an hour to tell you my story tonight, but just to make it short and sweet, I was looking for a way to make an extra income. I'm 54 years old. Back then, I was 51 years old. I tried everything that you can think of because I am not a tech dummy. I don't know about you if you are good at tech, but I'm not good at tech. Up to today, I'm not great at tech, but I've been learning a lot. And yeah, I've tried drop shipping, I've tried trading, my money has been stolen, I've been scammed. So I got to a point where I was like, is this what life is about? I'm still working. I'm working in the corporate world. I'm making somebody else's dream come true. I've got nothing to my name. The only thing I've got to my name is debt. And I was just so fed up. And then while I was scrolling on TikTok, I came across the Legacy Builder program. Was I skeptical? Absolutely. I'm probably the most skeptical person you will ever find. So let me know in the comment section. Are you skeptical? Are you scared? Because I was scared. I thought I was too old. I thought I would never be able to do something like this. But little did I know, when I started in November 2023, 20 months later, I made my first million as a single mother. I always used to be a mother that was not present. And this business has changed my life all around. And I'm here tonight. We like to call ourselves, whoever invited you, we are calling ourselves hope dealers. Okay. The founder of this business, she calls herself the hope dealer. She's actually got a t-shirt that says hope dealer. And that's what we like to call ourselves as well. Because if you're feeling at a point in your life right now, because you are probably at a stage where you're thinking, maybe some of you, we don't know your story. Some of you are maybe thinking, what is this all about, right? We are just working so hard, but there's nothing, there's no future. It just doesn't look like the future doesn't look bright at all. Well, we would love to give you some hope tonight because this business is life changing. And these are my two kids. Absolutely. I love them. Obviously, I'm a mother. I think they're the most beautiful kids in the world. All right. So, what is the Legacy Builder? What is the Legacy Builder program? Okay. It is a way that is going to give you a simple way to make money online. So, this is a business that you can start that's going to be able to give you an opportunity to build a legacy for your family, right? Because that's what we want. We don't want our children to have to look at after us. That was what I wanted. And you want something that is definitely going to work for you, right? Why am I having problems? Hold on, let me just see. I don't want to jump around again. Ooh, Lakin, let me just see what I can do here. Oh, somebody's doodling on my thing. Guys, there will be a recording, so just hold on just a second. See, this is how tech savvy I am, guys. It's quite scary. Oh my word. Hold on, let's try again. Ah, there you go. Okay. So you might be asking, who is this for? Is this for you? Because that's what I was asking. I was like, is this really for me? I know nothing. But this is for anybody. It's for busy families that is looking for a way out, right? That is looking for that extra income. It's for people that are maybe ready for retirement or people that are already retired. We've got people from 16 years old up to their 90s doing this, right? It's for busy professionals. So anybody, right? Anyone who's ready to grow their existing business maybe and create an extra income for themselves. So this is for anybody. So I just want to give you some stats about South Africa because I know there's some of you that's here from Namibia. But you know, the general financial stress across South African households was announced 12th of May this year. And South Africa's official unemployment rate rose from 32.7 in the first quarter of 2026 up from 31.4% in the last quarter of 2025. That is a hell of a raise, right? The economy has shed 345,000 jobs during the quarter, bringing the total number of unemployed citizens to 8.1 million people. That is so scary. And a large majority of South Africans run out of money before the end of the month. Well, I know that one too well, right? At this time of the month, I would literally have nothing in my account, right, left. And one study found that approximately 76% of people regularly run out of funds before payday. I know that one as well, with more than half running out by the middle of the month. And I mean, that is so stressful for us, right? And financial stress is widespread enough that over half of consumers worry about meeting monthly household expenses like rent, utilities, and groceries. Is that where you are now? Because I don't know about you, I used to stand in the aisles at the grocery store wondering, what am I going to do? Am I going to buy the bread and milk today, or am I going to buy the washing powder today? That was my reality. So the financial stress is widespread enough that over half of consumers worry about meeting monthly household expenses, right? And according to a survey about 46% of consumers go without basic necessities like electricity or food when they run out. And that, unfortunately, guys, that is the reality today, right? Oh, Lakin, I don't know what I'm doing tonight. Hold up. There. Okay. So about 55% of South Africans live below the upper bound poverty line, meaning their income doesn't meet both basic food and essential non-food items. And the national poverty line figures from Stats South Africa in 2025 shows that a person needs at least 1,415 Rand a month. That's on the lower bound and 2,846 per month in the upper bound just to cover basic needs. And you know, when I have asked many questions from customers, and they've told me, you know, some of them earn 3,000 Rand a month. How can you cover that for your whole family? So if a family earns less than these amounts per person, their salary won't stretch across all basic necessities like food, housing, transport, and utilities, right? And that is the reality today. Okay. All right. Who knows this picture too well? Well, I know it so well. I remember having to used to go into my handbag and having to just get the last bit of change sometimes, and I go stand there. I don't know about you. I know it was so embarrassing for me. I would stand there in front of the cashier and I would put all that change down and I would pray that I've counted the money enough. That was my reality. So I think a lot of people are in this situation. And yes, the unemployment rate in South Africa is 32.7%. So what does a family, why does a family need finances, right? Family needs finances because they need basics, needs, and security. There's so many children that goes to school without breakfast. I remember there was a little girl in my daughter's class. We used to send extra sandwiches. That is the reality. Children are going to school without even having a breakfast, right? You need finances because there's limited access to opportunities. There's so many children that has got such amazing talents, but they can't join sports team. The fees are too high, equipment is too expensive. I remember my daughter wanting to play hockey. That was hell of expensive to be able to go and buy all those things for her, right? It was a struggle. And then of course, there's emotional stress. The children keeps on overhearing parents that arguing about unpaid bills, and you know what it's like, right? If there's financial stress in the household, there's definitely a lot of emotional stress as well. And then there's a lack of parental presence. Why? Because both parents have to work. Some are working double shift and misses school events and sports. I remember having to tell my daughter once, I can't go and watch your hockey game because I'm working. I'm sorry. And that used to break my heart. And then, of course, the self-esteem of our children. They just stop trying academically because they believe success is for other families and not theirs, right? That is the reality. So most people, most people work 8 to 10 hours a day for between 15,000 Rand and 20,000 Rand salary per month. That for me is high. I don't know about you, but I remember once I had a job where was paid 20,000 Rand a month. After that, I've never even gone over. My salary used to be between 8,000 and 12,000 if I was lucky. So people are overworked and they are underpaid. Living cost keeps on rising. Our salary stays the same, right? Families are struggling. Ah, you see there now I've jumped. Oh, Laken, what have I done now? Sorry, I'm so sorry, guys. Oh my goodness. Guys, I do apologize. Let's quickly go back. I am so sorry about that. There you go. Okay, now I'm gonna just keep on using my keyboard. Okay, so yes, the living costs are rising and families are struggling. But I want to ask you today, what if you can earn in dollars? How would that change your life today? Because today, $1 is 16 Rand and 13 cents. Now, guys, imagine $1, and you cannot make less than $100 with this program, right? And why do you want to be part of this industry right now? That's my question to you. You probably asking me, why do you have to be a part of this industry right now? Why the Legacy Builder program? Okay, because we are promoting a program in the e-learning industry. Okay, when you want to sell something, you want to sell something in an evergreen niche. Okay, which means it will never go away. So the opportunity and the money you want to make is what you want to look at, okay? So that you never have to worry about never being able to make money, right? Now, when you look at where the world is going, where is it going? The world is going digital. The world is going automated. This is what we have. And you want to be part of a program that serves people, right? So when you are promoting a program in the e-learning industry, you want the Legacy Builder program. Why? Because it helps solve so many problems for people. It is something that is in high demand. Because if you are only let's say if you are only selling a product, like let's look at multi-level marketing, where you make a small commission, like $10, that's a lot of work, right? You're gonna have to work a lot to make a really good income. I don't know about you. I don't want to work hard and lose time away from my family. But with the Legacy Builder program, you make between $100 up to $1,400 per transaction. Now, I just want to share some stats with you, okay? The global e-learning industry is expanding right now. And it is estimated to be $420 billion in 2026. That is the market size for the global e-learning industry. And it's projected, according to Forbes, they have predicted that it's going to be a $1.5 trillion industry by 2030. That's more than doubling in the next 4 years. Guys, we are already almost in 2027, right? And they're also projecting that the online learners to be 1.1 billion by 2029 worldwide. And guess what? We only have 61,000 members in our community. Now, can you imagine the lives that are being impacted at the moment? There's only 61,000 people in our community. So the right time for your family wasn't 5 years ago, it is right now. More families are buying digital products than at any point in history. So that is the stats of this business, right? And what if you can follow our program that's going to teach you step by step how to earn? You can earn $100, $300, which is 5,000 Rand. $600 is almost 10,000 Rand. 900 is almost 15K. And $1,400 is 23,000 Rand from one single transaction. No experience needed. It's completely beginner friendly. Oh my gosh, that's what I wanted, right? Because I knew nothing about the online space. I think most of us didn't. And you got your own business. There's no more working for a boss, and you are the CEO. I think that's everybody's dream. And what have I done here now? What if it only takes you 2 hours a day? It's broken up in 10 minutes here, 15-minute session days throughout the day. I remember that's what I had. When I heard 2 hours a day, I was like, yes, please, I can do this. I was so desperate. I was like, I'll do this, right? And that's what I loved about. That's one thing that really attracted me to this program. The fact that I could put the hours in when I wanted to, right? Because then the rest of the day is to build your dream life with your family. 2 hours a day. So you've got the rest of the 22 hours to yourself. Now, I'd love to tell you here, Zoe is one of our millionaires, and she said, now I remember also watching everybody in the community saying they're waking up to money in their accounts. And this is what Zoe posted about a week ago, I think she said, 2 weeks ago. She said, my first time waking up to a $1,400 sale. She says, waking up to sales hit different, but waking up to $1,400 is another level. I mean, that's almost 23,000 Rand. I'm filled with gratitude. Thank you, Lord. Let's go, August. So it was already in August that she did this, right? And what if it's a plan that you can follow that works? Because over 61,000 other people have already tested it. And we're almost 10,000 people in South Africa doing this, but it's global, everywhere, right? This is just an example to show you this is where everybody in our community is, right across the world. And that's the beauty of this business, right? We've got the whole world that can buy from us. And that's the beauty. Look at that. We've got people in Kenya. We've got people in UK, USA. I've got mentees in Germany, in the USA, in the UK, from Botswana, everywhere. Anybody can be your customer. And that is the beauty of this business. Okay. And what if you get the plan and follow it step by step every day, whenever you have the time? No boss breathing down your neck. Well, that's one thing that I couldn't wait for when I started with this business. And because I said to myself, I'm definitely gonna stop working for bosses, okay? And what if you can work from anywhere? All you need is your cell phone, Wi-Fi, and a laptop. That's all you need. This is your business. You take it with you on vacation. That's it. If you want to go away for the weekend, you take your business with you, right? You work where you want. You're in charge of your finances. You work 2 hours a day so that you can build on your family. Again, like I said, everybody wants this, right? It's everybody's dream. Because if you have $100 sale today, you will make 1,613 Rand in one day. For $300, 4,839 in one day. People don't even make that in a month. 9,678 rand for $600. That's one transaction. 14,517 for a $900 and 22,582 rand today. That's what you will make if you have a $1,400 sale. Okay. And already almost 10,000 people in South Africa have already set their own business up because now they have more freedom because you're going to have you be your own boss. You will have more time with your family if you do that. You have more money, right? Because it's a dollar income and your quality of life is definitely going to be better and less debt. I think all of us wants that, right? 2 hours a day. Why would you say no to this? You know, that's one thing. 31 months ago, I didn't have a car. I didn't have a house. The only thing I had was debt. That was very, very sad to me. So, and I think a lot of us are in that situation right now, right? And the best thing about this program is we help you. You are not, what's the say?
It's on the
You are
loudest
not
you
doing
can
this
go.
for you. You're doing this for yourself, but you're not doing this by yourself, okay? Because you've got a community. You get free access to our huge big community, and then we've got the digital crew community that will also help you. Every Tuesday evening, we have extra training on top of all the training that you get. If you can't make it, the replays are available in the community. And then, like today, either on Wednesday or Thursday evening, we have a webinar where you can invite your customers, where we literally help you. So you are not left alone. We are a digital family building together, and you can build with us, right? Now, we follow a program that works. Now, sure, most of you are saying, oh, Lana, this sounds too good to be true. I know, I was there, right? But let me just show you some of the wins in our community. This is Yaku. He says, in his first day of marketing, he got $200 sales. Now, if we add that up in South African Rand, it's about 3,300 Rand in one day. His very first day of marketing, right? Oh, guys, and yes, our 32nd millionaire has been announced. We actually had our 31st millionaire. No, am I right? 31st millionaire and the 32nd millionaire announced this week. Monday, it was our 31st millionaire. And I think it was today or yesterday, Karina, our 32nd millionaire. She says, your first million in 13 months. First of all, I just want to thank the Lord that this amazing program crossed my path. And thank you to my mentor, Yolanda Nell, for all the encouragement, praying with me, and support. I was never someone who was comfortable with social media, and I was extremely nervous in the beginning. I doubted myself so much and sometimes felt completely discouraged, like we all do, right? But I kept praying, kept believing, and now 13 months later, I've made my first million in the online space and honestly have no words. It still feels so unreal. I can't believe I'm one of the South African millionaires. I've never imagined that one program could enrich a person's life in so many ways, not just financially, but also through time freedom, more time with my children, the possibility of no longer being an H2A wife and being able to have my husband home with us permanently, and being able to help other families out there by sharing my journey. All I can say is thank you, Abba Father. I just absolutely love this for her, right? And then Werner says here, first sale. I started today with this great opportunity and I had my first sale of 1,400. Thanks to my Lord Jesus Christ for the grace. I love this post. This is so good. Nosipo says, yeah, it's happening. I made my first sale, $300. I'm motivated. I need to wear sunglasses. The future looks too bright. Thank you, Miss Michelle O'Neill. That is the founder of this business. Step by step, indeed. Consistency equals currency. I doubted myself so many times. Look at God. I absolutely love this one. So good. So, guys, I'm so excited tonight. We have got Taz that's going to share her story with us. Now, Taz did share her story a few months ago on one of our webinars, and I cannot wait for you to hear her story. She's got the most amazing story. Taz, are you here, my love? Before you unmute yourself, Now, what I usually do is when I have somebody here to come and chat with us, I usually ask them, what is the word that you would describe the legacy builder has given to you? Now, Tash said, she gave me two words this time. She said legacy and growth. Now let's look at what legacy and growth means in the online space, right? Legacy is about building something today that can create more choices, freedom, and opportunities for your family tomorrow. Growth begins when you are willing to learn new digital skills, step outside your comfort zone, and take consistent action, right? Because that's what I always say, right? If you want to grow, if you're going to stay in your comfort zone, guess what? Everything's going to stay the same. You'll never grow if you step out of your comfort zone, right? And that is the great thing about this business. At least you're not on your own. When you step out of your comfort zone, at least there's somebody that's also going to back you. But over 61,000 people backing us. And making money online isn't only about the income. It's about growing your knowledge and building an asset that can continue working beyond your time. When you combine legacy with growth, you stop thinking only about your next paycheck and start thinking about the future you want to create. Tazi, are you here, my bookie? Just unmute
I
yourself.
don't know. Can you
Hello,
hear me?
lovely. How are you? Let me just stop sharing my screen. Tazi, so
Hi.
nice to have you. Hello.
Nice
Look
to
at
have
you.
you as
You look
well.
so beautiful. Oh
Thank you so
my word.
much. I had to get my lashes done because I was like, I'm not gonna come on here looking strange.
You are beautiful. You can even put a
Thank
bag over
you.
your head. You're beautiful.
Thank you so much,
Hello,
Miss Alana.
Bookie. Thank you
Hi,
for
how are you?
joining us and thank you for we feel honored to have you tonight, Taz. And I just absolutely love your story. So I'm gonna mute myself. I'm not gonna mute myself. I might interrupt you. My daughter always says, Mom, stop interrupting people. But I might just want to ask you a few questions. So please share your story with us, Taz. I'm giving it over to you right now.
No problem. Oh my goodness. I am nervous. I don't know why I'm nervous again.
It's
Even when
okay,
I
it's
came here.
natural. We're all nervous.
Right, that's true. But hi everyone. I'm seeing the highs in the comments. I'm seeing the hearts. Thank you so much for having me again, Miss Alana. It really is an honor. My name is Tazia. For those of you who don't know me, and I used to be a delivery driver. I say this all the time in my content. I'm always speaking about the fact that you know what, my life was a life of back pains and lack. You know that slide where you posted, I think it was like lack of money, like lack of money inside the wallet. That was my life. I was always working and I was always broke. When you spoke about how the $300 program gives you that, and some people don't even make that in a month, that was me. I was making 5,000 rand or less in a month. And yeah, man, me being here right now, it really is I don't even know what to call it. The reason why I chose those two words, you're gonna hear as I tell my story. I chose those two words for a specific reason. Okay, I am officially a year into my journey, and I basically am now reflecting at the fact that I started off as someone who knew absolutely nothing about the online space. I was not tech savvy at all. I had no idea how to even post a video. Not that I didn't know how to post a video, but I didn't know how to make content. You know what I mean? And I didn't even know how to make content that converts. I actually saw a reminder. TikTok gave me a reminder like, hey, this is a video you posted this time last year. And it was a 4-minute video where I started it off with, hi guys, so today is Tuesday, things like that. So I didn't even know how to speak, even to have this confidence that I have right now. But because I was willing to see my life change, I wanted to get out of that life of lack, because when you're a delivery driver, you're driving every single day, your back is sore, you're tired, and you are relying on tips that people don't give because people are so entitled. There's a lot of people in South Africa who don't have money. So the idea of having to tip a driver, it's like, hey man, why am I tipping you for doing your job? Meanwhile, I'm driving 15, 20 kilometers to go give you this order that you don't want, type of thing. So now you tend to change, how can I say? the person that you are, trying to, you become entitled over other people's money. And I didn't want to live that life of lack anymore. And there was a day, it was actually on the 17th of August, where I was delivering an order last year, right? I was delivering an order, and thank you so much for the happy anniversaries. I see you guys in the comments. I was delivering an order to someone who was my friend, right? Who I grew up with, primary school, high school, and I'm delivering to their house. Okay. So that's the first thing. I was delivering to their house. That order took an hour for me to deliver. Or not even for me to deliver, but it took an hour for them to be done. What do you call it? With that order. McDonald's takes a long time. So it took an hour for that order to be done. On top of the fact that it took an hour for that order to be done, when I processed that order, there was no tip and I had to go to another town. And it was someone that I knew. And I was like immediately plagued with the fact that, you know what? I'm not moving forward. And I cried. I made a video crying. And right now, I promised myself that I'm never going to delete that video. I'm always going to watch that video and see that that is exactly who I am making content for, because I was so down. I couldn't do anything, Alana, I could not do anything. Like, I remember even my mom would randomly say things like, "You're spending so much time at work. What are you, like, you never have money. Are you building a house? What are you doing?" But like I couldn't do anything. I couldn't even buy myself clothes. And that's what I kept saying in the video. And so when I came across this program, there was a whole lot of limiting beliefs that I had. I didn't believe in myself because I grew up believing that, hey man, I'm not meant for more. I grew up believing that way about myself. So my mindset has definitely hindered me a lot. That's why I decided to use the word growth as well. So me doing this, as someone who didn't have the confidence, as someone who didn't even know how to make a proper scroll stopping video in the online space, as someone who didn't even understand how it works, if I can do it, okay, with a 2-hour workday. My goodness. I saw you put the laptop and the phone. I don't even have a laptop and I've been running this business. You know what I mean? So you just need your smartphone. You just need access to the internet and you need a blueprint. The crazy thing is there's so many people who are stuck right now and they are so comfortable in that comfort zone of complaining. Okay, if you are here right now, maybe I don't know how you got access to this webinar. Maybe you got access to this webinar by accident. It is not by accident that you are here. Okay, people are actually changing their lives in the online space. You've heard Miss Alana's story. You are hearing my story. I'm not where I want to be right now, but my goodness, I am so much further than I ever was. All I wanted was my own time. And here I am now. I get to have time to live the life that I want to live. My 28th year of life, because I'm 28, I've made a habit of being so comfortable telling people on the internet how old I am. But my 28th year of being on earth has been the best year of my life. I don't even want to lie. With all the challenges that life throws at you, with everything that has happened, but 28 has been the best year of my life. Because this year, man, I don't even know where to go, man. I've learned so many different skills. I do tech setups as well, which I didn't think I could do. I have 2 communities that I am building. I didn't even know what a community was. Like, my goodness, you guys, what? You know what I mean? And also, I didn't even understand what automations was. Like, I was someone who knew nothing. I also knew nothing. As much as, yes, I'm young, but I didn't understand everything that I'm doing right now. And I'm so grateful to that person who was crying in that video, that she decided that, you know what, it's fine. Even if it takes me a long time because of my limiting beliefs or whatever, I'm still going to do this. I'm still going to do this because I want to see my life change. I want to break generational patterns and generational curses. And yeah, man, fast forward a year later, I've completely transformed my life. I'm so grateful. And I really am grateful as well to be here, Miss Alana. Thank you so much. I have so much to say.
Oh, Taz, it's so nice to have you here. I've got some questions for you. How did you find this program? What happened? Where did you find it?
I found it on social media. I'm
Like
different to most
on
people. So
TikTok.
I went to search on TikTok. I decided to search. Funny story. So I searched for how to make money online. That was my consistent search. how to make money online. And one of those searches actually got me scammed.
Ah,
So I
I think a
have
lot
been
of us
scammed,
know that one, right?
which is so painful to experience, but I was so hungry for my life to change. I was like, you know what, it's fine. It happened. And that was painful because at the time I was unemployed and it was basically all my money that I
Oh,
had. And I was living alone at that time. So I had to worry about rent and I had to worry about paying for the car and I had to worry about groceries. And it was so bad. But I survived. I'm here now, had to move
yeah.
back home, but I was hungry. I don't know what happened in my brain, but somewhere in my brain, I was like, you know what? Don't completely dismiss the fact that money can be made in the online space, because if people are talking about it, chances are it means it is there. You just need to be able to find it. And I kept searching. I searched again, maybe like a good 6 months after that scam happened. And I searched again.
Mm.
And I found this lady who spoke about how she was making money online using just her smartphone, access to the internet, and a blueprint. And I was like, okay, this sounds interesting. I had been following her already because she was teaching English online. So I was like, okay, interesting. I might be interested in that. And then after she stopped teaching English online, she was like, guys, I'm not doing this teach English online thing anymore. I am now a digital marketer. Then she's explaining digital marketing. I was on the sidelines for 7 months, Alana. 7 months of me watching this lady do her thing, and she became a millionaire. Mind you, see,
Oh,
she and I are the same age.
I think I
She and I are
know
the
which
same
one.
age.
Yes, one of our
Yeah,
millionaires.
one of
Okay.
our millionaires. She and I are the same age, and I'm watching this lady make content and explain what she's learning, and she became a millionaire. And I was a delivery driver at the time. And then she's talking about a 2 hour workday. My back is sore from 13 hours of driving. You know what I mean?
Oh, yeah.
But I was still on the fence because I was like, ish, the thing is I've been burned before. What if? And
Mm.
yeah, man, one of the things that I always like to say to people when they tell me that, listen, I don't have money, it's not a money problem, it's a mindset problem. I made a plan, I didn't have the money. As you guys can hear, I was so in debt. Alana, I don't have kids, but I was struggling. I
No,
was
but it
struggling.
does.
So
You
now I
don't have
think to
to have
myself,
kids. No, I know. I mean, you're in your 20s. It's if there's no money, there's no money. You know,
oh,
it
I
doesn't
love
mean,
that.
yeah, you don't even have
Yeah.
to have an excuse that you don't have kids. But yeah,
No, but
absolutely.
the emphasis I'm trying to put on that is the fact that me without kids, I was struggling. Imagine people with kids. That's that's
Mhm.
that's where my mind went to. I was like, yo, where would I be if where would I be if I
God,
had a
you're
little
such an
one?
empath.
I
Thinking of
am.
us. Yeah, no,
I
you know
am.
what,
I am.
Taz, what really stands out for me is you saying, you know, you thought, okay, let me just, I didn't have money, but I'll make a plan. I remember when I saw this opportunity, I was also, it was a Sunday, we were driving back from a weekend away with a friend, and this friend used to buy us groceries for on Sundays. He would pick me up and we'd go to Checkers and he'll buy groceries for me and my daughter. And that was soul destroying for me. And we were driving back away from a weekend. He took us away and I couldn't even afford a coffee. I had the last bit of money in my account, and I remember driving back on a Sunday. Now, Sundays used to be my worst, right? Very
Mhm.
depressing because I knew tomorrow back to work again. And I literally closed my eyes and I was like, I didn't even know what this really was. I saw the dollar sign and I was like, I want to earn dollars. And if it does, and I closed my eyes. I said, Father, if this is a scam, can I please just make my money back? If it's not, can I just make 5,000 Rand a month? God,
Yeah.
never
Yeah.
look back. Yeah.
Imagine. That's so crazy, man. With what you're saying right now, and this is the common thread between all of us, all 61,000 plus of us who are inside the program. And there's a lot of us here inside the chat who are also inside the program. The common thread between us is that we were sick and tired of being sick and tired. We wanted to see our lives change. So you have to really want it. There was a guy I spoke to not so long ago who told me that he's been having sleepless nights because of this program. He wants to start. That's how it must be. Your life, you
Yes,
must
I
want
also did.
your life. Same here. You must want your life to change, because the truth is, like you mentioned a couple of minutes ago, there's absolutely no growth in a comfort zone. You can't expect your life to change from the sky. It's not going to happen, which is why I
Yeah.
always like to say nothing changes if nothing changes. I got that from Joe Dispenza, because it doesn't. You can't expect to do nothing. Nah, this is
Correct.
you. And I don't know if you guys can see my hands, but this is you. You are like, okay, change must come. But you are living the same life you've been living for the past couple of years. It's not going to change. It's not going to happen. You're going to find yourself at the end of your life being very regretful, regretting the fact that you didn't do anything to change your life and just allowing the world to decide where your life goes, you know?
Absolutely. Absolutely.
So
Yes.
yeah, no,
Oh,
but I'm absolutely grateful. Yo, I took on a role a couple of minutes ago,
I'm
but
so proud of you, Taz. Taz, I've seen you grown so
yeah.
much since the last time we spoke. Wow, you really. I mean, your confidence as well. I can just see it in you. Definitely. I mean, your
Yeah, no,
confidence was great when I had you here. But absolutely, it's so nice to see everybody grow here. But thank you,
very
my loves.
true,
Thank you
very
so
true.
much.
Can I just
So
add
thank,
something with what you
yeah,
just said,
please.
right?
Mm,
A lot of people will say, and this is to touch on what you just said, a lot of people will say, yeah, I'll start when I'm confident. I'll start when that when I'm is a byproduct of you starting. It's not just going to happen automatically. It's a byproduct of you starting. I didn't have the confidence, like you said. You met me at a time where I already had confidence. I had zero confidence. I was afraid of public opinion. I was afraid of what people were going to say about me putting myself in the online space. But making
I
those three
didn't
videos
see
every
that.
single day, yeah, because you saw the work that had been done, you know. But
Yeah.
making those three pieces of content every single day turned me into this. My goodness, I know I'm a powerhouse. Like I'm aware,
Correct.
but
You go,
yeah.
girl.
Thank you
Listen,
so much
and
for
I'm
having me.
seeing that we have got another two of our millionaires in my webinar tonight. Man, am I so flippin'. How exciting is this? Well, Taz, listen, thank you so much for sharing your story. You are such an inspiration. Um, and thank you so much. It's really an honor to have you here.
Thank you so much, Alana. I really
Thank
appreciate the fact that you had me here, and I'm coming back again.
I'm definitely gonna ask you to come out. I'll be so honored to have you again. Absolutely, my
Bring
love.
me, bring me again when I've reached the million mark.
Okay, now
Yeah,
why bring you before that even? It's not about that. We'll bring you before that. This is real people. We are real
very
people,
true.
okay?
Very,
We are real
very true.
people doing this. Okay.
No
Thank you, my
problem. That is
beautiful,
very true.
beautiful Taz.
Thank you so
Listen, now
much.
I don't know if I can even say, I don't know. See, Sabina is here and Bree is here. Sabina, are you busy, my love? I would just love to have you for 5 minutes on, but if you can't, don't. It's fine. If you want to, unmute yourself. Or Bree, I would love to. I would love to just hear 5 minutes of your story. It'll be so nice. But if you can't, don't worry. Let's see. I don't know, maybe. No, maybe not. Taz, it was so great to have you here tonight. Thank you so much. Really, it's such an honor to hear the stories. There's so many people from everywhere. Guys, this is for anybody, right? It doesn't matter who you are, your age, and that is the beauty of this. And now, what Taz has also said, she's learned how to do even tech setups as well. Like my daughter, she's 17 years old. She makes 500 Rand in 2 hours. And that is the beauty of this business, right? It's absolutely amazing. So, guys, thank you. Thank you so much, Taz, for being here. Let me just share my screen again so that we can go on. You can see me, right? Just unmute yourself because now I'm on.
Yes,
Yeah,
I can see
okay.
you.
Okay. Thank you, Boki. Thank you, Taz. Oh, man, how beautiful this woman. I love her so much. Hold on, guys. Let me hope I'm not going to skip this one again. Oh, yeah. This woman is not, there you go. Okay, so you are probably asking, why is the legacy builders different, right? Because there's so many things out there, right? There's multi-level marketing, there's a lot of network marketing going on. Well, why it's different is you, my friend, are going to keep 100% profit with master resale rights. Now, what is master resale rights? Master resale rights, you can go and Google it, is when you get a license, when you purchase something and you get a license to resell it again, right? And your customers gets the same. So this is no recruiting. You don't make it just a little bit of a profit. You make 100% profit and your customers make 100% profit. This is not people recruiting underneath each other, right? And you don't have to chase people, friends, or family with the Legacy Builder program. And that's what I loved, right? Because I actually blocked everybody because I didn't want them to see what I was trying, because I was so scared they're going to say, oh, here goes Alana once again. Okay. There's no technical skills needed. If you can follow a recipe, if you can follow step-by-step instructions, this is for you. And you make between $100 and $1,000 in one transaction in one day. Okay. You get a step-by-step blueprint to help you start, grow, and automate a profitable online business in just 2 hours a day. And you get your own done-for-you digital store, which is great. Why? Because the whole world has gone digital, right? If you were to open a shop, you would only have that area of people that can come and visit your shop, right? But with a digital store, worldwide, okay? What you do is you connect your PayPal and your bank account, and when a customer pays you, 100% profit goes straight into your account. There's no having to withdraw funds or wait to withdraw. No, it goes straight into your bank account. When you have a sale today, the money is yours. Okay? Can you see that this is not a pyramid scheme? Like I said, right? There's no recruiter. Here you have your own business with master resale rights. You make 100% profit. With recruiting on the other side, you only get paid a little bit of commission. And guess what? You have to recruit people underneath you. And by the way, it's illegal in any way. I spoke to a customer today. She says she got involved in some kind of Ponzi scheme. She's got 18,000 Rand that the bank is been holding back from her for about a year now because it was a Ponzi scheme. Okay. And that is quite sad, actually, if you think about that, right? You have your products, you have digital products, you have these e-learning programs, and you have your products, and everything below that you get free, and it's included in your on your website, okay? And the key to this business is master resale rights. You sell the done for you product because that's what you're going to get. You don't have to go and create, there's no guesswork here. You don't have to go and create your own products. You get done for you digital products, which are these e-learning programs, and you get it, go and put it in your digital shop, and you can sell it over and over again. Let me give you an example of a digital product. That's just an example, right? A digital product is when you create something once, like an ebook. Who knows what an ebook is? If you create an ebook, if you were going to go and have a diary and you wanted to sell diaries, you're going to have to print a lot of diaries. You're going to have to spend a lot of money and have to go do shipping costs when your customer buys from you. But if you were creating a diary online, you would have to create it once. It's lying on your digital store. Let's say you sell it for $10. So you can, when somebody comes and buy your diary, they pay $10. They can download it straight away. The next person can come and buy another diary from you, right? You don't have to create it over and over again. So there's no expenses here. And you keep 100% profit for the price of one. And that is what you're going to get with this e-learning program. Oh, guys, let me just make sure here. And we already have 32 people in South Africa who've already earned over 1 million Rand with the Legacy Builder program. That's crazy, right? What they did, now I'm just looking at the $900 program. Now, they bought the $900 program once and they sold it 57 times, which meant they made 1 million Rand with no monthly fees. So they sold it over and over again. What you get is you get an automated system, which means your business works while you are sleeping. Now, if you've ever bought anything from Shein or Temu or any of those companies, what did you give them? You gave them your email address, right? Now you keep on receiving emails from them. And that's what you're going to get in this business. You're going to get your own automated system. You own an online business with an automated system that works 24/7 in the background. You only have to work 2 hours a day. It's a done for your business with no experience, right? It's a done for your business that you sell, and your clients are going to learn skills. They can use this program to promote their already businesses. They're going to learn how to create their new businesses, and they get resale rights on it. I've got customers who bought from me that wanted to just buy the program because they wanted to learn how to promote their business. Okay. So this is not just to resell. You are going to learn so many skills in this program that you can take to so many levels and create many income streams for yourself. Just like Taz has mentioned, she didn't even know what a community was when she started. Now she's got 2 communities. That's me too. I've got so many income streams now because I've learned how to do that. And that is the key word of this business, right? You're going to learn skills because that's the only thing that's standing between you and an empty bank account, learning skills. That was me 31 months ago. I didn't have skills, right? So wouldn't you rather trade your 8 to 10 hour workday for a 2 hour workday? I think most of us would say yes, right? And then I just want to give you an example here. Let's say you make 15,500 Rand per month. That at the moment, it's not precisely, but that's about $900. What if you could have 4 customers a month? That's going to make you about 15,000 Rand. That'll give you, let's look at 15,500 Rand. That's 62,000 Rand per month. That's only 4 customers, right? Remember previously I said there's 1.5, no, did I say it's 1.5 billion people on social media, right? On a daily basis. If you make 23,000 Rand a month, if you have a $1,400 sale, you're going to make 23,000 Rand per day, per transaction. So that means if you have 4 customers a month, that's 95,200 Rand. And do you now see why we've got 32 millionaires in South Africa? Because that's what you make per transaction, right? That's why we got a dollar income, and that's great for us as South Africans, right? And you don't just keep 100% profit. You also have an interactive training program that helps you develop the skills to build a successful business so that you can build a legacy for your family. So what we've got coming right for the beginning of September is we are already prepping for our 90-day run. Now, the founder of this business, Michelle O'Neill, she also started this business not knowing anything about even opening a TikTok account. And within 17 months, she made her first $1 million. Now, she does a 90-day run for us and sometimes a 30-day run where we actually get step-by-step interactive videos from her on a daily basis and short videos telling us exactly what to do with our business. And that's why we say you are doing this you are doing this business for yourself, but not by yourself, right? So there's always somebody that's going to help you. And all you need to do is you follow 5 steps every day. You watch a 10-minute video of training. We've got the 90 days. It's either a 90-day run or a 30-day run. There's always videos in our community that's going to tell you exactly what to do every day. No guesswork, right? You're going to learn how to create marketing content, right? Step by step. You're going to reply to emails and WhatsApp if you want to give your WhatsApp number out. You're going to learn how to post marketing ads and reply to comments. The ads are even given to you. And you're going to post ads on high traffic websites, or you can do a live stream. You don't have to do a live stream, but you can if you want to. I know that our 24th millionaire has not once done a live in her life before, and she made her first million in 16 months. A lady up there from Limpopo, right? And what you're going to learn is you're going to learn attraction marketing because clients are going to come to you. There's 5.79 billion people that use social media worldwide. And this equals about 69.9% of the global population. Okay. So the online world is your window to an unlimited customers, right? And you're going to learn attraction marketing. You don't have to go find customers. Like, where are you going to find a business like that? I've been in sales most of my life and I hated having to try and find customers. If you're tired of network marketing, there's none of that you need to do here. You're going to learn attraction marketing. You don't contact people, you don't bother friends and family, and you never reach out first. And it is paradise for introverts, right? And all you do is you're going to learn how to use the apps that you already have on your phone. Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, Pinterest. There's so many out there. I don't even know half of them, right? And their faceless marketing you can use as well. Right. So what is included in this Done For You business? This is what you're going to get. You are going to get this e-learning program, which is a blueprint of a business plan. So there's no guesswork, like I said. You are literally going to get it done for your business. You're going to get your own website, which you're going to connect your PayPal and your bank account to your website. You'll get your automated system that's going to do the selling and the follow-up for you. And you've got your products on your website. You get master resale rights on it. Depending on which one you have, all the ones underneath it you get for free. And then obviously, this for me was the most important thing. Lifelong community support, interactive training from millionaires, right? And would you rather hang out with people that are broke, that are family and friends that are broke, that don't have your dreams, or would you rather hang out with people that wants to make change in their lives, right? So whichever program that you choose, everything underneath your program you get for free, and you use it over and over again. Guys, I'm just careful now. I want to jump ahead there. You get 100% profit. So let me just jump into the programs, right? I'm just going to run through it. We now have 5 programs that you can choose from. What's great about this, it's a one-time investment. There's no monthly fees. Now, I don't know about you. That for me was great because I didn't have monthly fees. We have paid once for our program with no monthly fees. You don't have expenses. You got Done For You digital products. You don't have to buy products in. You don't have to, the only thing you need to pay is your Wi-Fi. That's all I pay for, my Wi-Fi. That's it. Right. So my first program, right, is on the right-hand side. It is called the Launchpad 2.0. That is the $100 one, right? With that one, you're going to have one income stream. You're going to get the launch kit. You're going to learn content that converts. You're going to get your free ads method, and you're going to get pre-built automated system. So purchasing the Launchpad will give you the reselling rights to the Launchpad, and you're going to get the bonuses as well. Now, if you want to go a little bit further, you want your skills to, you want to learn a bit of more skills as well, you would go for the $300. Now you've got 2 income streams. That is called the passive daily pay, right? You get all of those in the Launchpad, but you're also going to learn about content that converts, okay? Purchasing the passive daily pay blueprint is going to give you the reselling rights to 2 of the digital programs. So it's the $100 and the 300. So you can make 1,700 and you can make 5,000 per customer. If you go for the 600 USD, that is the digital mastery, you're going to get more skills. You're going to learn more skills. But on this one, you get 3 income streams. Now you can make 1,700, 5,000, and you can make 10,000 Rand per customer. Okay, and then we've got the Legacy Builder program. That is one of our very popular ones. It's the $900. With that one, you get 4 income streams, 228 e-learning lessons. You get tools for online success. You're going to learn how to build your own products and your brand, right? Because that's what marketing is all about. And no, you don't have to be fancy. You're going to learn how to build your own brand. This is nothing fancy that you need to do. It is amazing when you learn what really your brand is, okay? And you're going to learn how to create extra income streams for yourself, right? Because that's what we want. We've got a lot of money going out of our accounts. Why not create a lot of ways to get money into our accounts, right? And then we've got our Legacy Builder bundle pack. That is the $1,400. The best seller at the moment. It gives us 10 income streams because the founder came. See, when she launched this program, there was a lot of people that asked for the Spanish version. Now, you might say to me, Alana, I don't know people that speak Spanish, but let me tell you what, it's not just about the Spanish. And remember, it's an international business, right? You can get people from all across the world that can purchase from you. That one's got 323 e-learning lessons. It's got the tools for an online success. You're going to learn how to build your own products and brand it. you're going to create extra income streams. But here, this one is going to give you AI, the most advanced AI training for marketing material, right? You're going to get AI for personal branding. You're going to learn how to use AI to create faceless videos. The other programs, it also has that in, but it is just much more advanced in this one. And you're going to learn how to, you're going to get AI to create your own digital products and even do your own AI twin. I wish I could show you one of our ladies that did that. I might just show you, but I'm just scared I'm not going to be able to share my screen. So that is our $1,400. With that, you get 10 income streams. Okay. You do have the option to upgrade. So if you upgrade within 30 days, you only have to pay in the difference, right? Because you're going to pay for your program. You're going to pay on the $100 up to the $900, you will pay a once-off fee of $39. We call that our website fee. On the $1,400, it's $69. So if you upgrade within 30 days, you only have to pay the difference, but you'll pay your website fee again. If it's after that, you're going to have to pay the whole amount. Okay. So yes, you decide. I had a customer that purchased the $100 from me. And about 3 weeks in, she said, Alana, let's upgrade. She saw the value in this program and she said, let's go for the 1,400. And now she's on that one. She's got all of the programs there. And there's no monthly fees. I mean, where are you going to get a business where there's no expenses, right? You can have between 1 and 10 income streams. You use the program free on a monthly basis or a daily basis. What you're going to do is you buy your program, whichever one you have, the ones beneath it you get for free. So you don't have to buy each one, right? Whichever one you invest in, you only pay for that one. You register with either your $39 on the first 4 or $69 once off, and you're going to buy your own domain once you're inside the program because you've got that automated system. But don't worry, you don't have to worry about getting that. You will be shown step by step how to do this. Okay. So, guys, this is what the Legacy Builder program is. Okay. It is not a quick, rich money making scheme. This is not a fly by night, right? I just want to give you some information. The founder of this business, Michelle O'Neill, she started with this business. And I don't know if any of you know Alex Hormozi. Is that how I say his name? His net worth is between 200 and $350 million. And Michelle is hanging out with him. She is coming together with him to make this business better. So that is the kind of support that we are getting. And we get to, if you're on the $900 and the $1,400 program, every Monday we get to hang out with her in a room where she shares more tips and tricks on how this business can make it work for us. So that's the beauty of this. This woman is absolutely amazing. And this is what you're going to do. You're going to own your own business and build a legacy for your family. Okay, I just want to share this last one with you. This is one of our other, I think she's also from South Africa. She said, she's on my third $1,400 client in a few weeks. She says another $1,400 customer in the bag, waking up with a grateful heart this morning. It's only been only a few weeks. My other job is demanding, but I'm trying to work out my schedule so that I can be more consistent with my business. I know if I had given more time to my 2-hour work schedule here, I would have made more now. All I can say is I can see that this works and I'm truly grateful. Absolutely love that for her. So this is what the Legacy Builder gives us, right? Less debt. Do you want less debt? Do you want more time with your family? Do you want to go on those holidays, right? Because you've got a system working 24/7 with you. You want more peace and harmony instead of stress. I think all of us want that, right? And that is what the Legacy Builder is giving us, just like Taz has said, right? So what do you need to build a legacy? What for you and your family? You need a business without expenses and a risk. This is a risk-free business. You cannot lose your money. When you've made your first sale, you've made your money back. Okay. So what you're going to do is you're going to start with any one of the 5 programs. You choose which one. Guys, there's less than 5 months left for this year. Can you guys believe it? So now's the time to make sure that 2026 is your best year. Step out of your comfort zone. Learn new skills, because that's how you're going to grow. So I hope this has really helped you. And if you have any questions, please, I'm going to go off my screen now, and we're going to see if there's any questions. You are please welcome to ask. Again, please remember there's no stupid questions. And before we go, let's quickly see if there's any questions. Laken, I'm just going to stop sharing my screen.
We do have a question.
Oh,
So
good.
Taz has already answered it, but I'll repeat it so that everyone else can hear it.
Wonderful.
Can I sell my music through this business?
Oh, yes, absolutely. Who was that? Yes. Let me tell you not, my love. This business is all about marketing, right? You are going to learn how to market your business, whichever business it is. Okay. We've got so many people who are buying this program. I've got a customer in China that is going to buy the 1,400. He wants to buy it because he's opened a lot of, it's a South African guy. He's opened a lot of shops in China, and he just wants to buy this to learn skills to do the marketing. So absolutely. I've got so many customers who bought this program. They don't want to resell it. They just want to learn skills to market, right? Because that's what you need. You need to learn skills, how to market, how to attract your perfect customer. Great question. Absolutely, you can. This is going to teach you marketing skills. Okay. So,
Okay, another
any
question.
other? Yes.
Is the profit taxable?
Yes, absolutely. This is a legit business. So our taxman is very, very happy. Yes, it is taxable at all. What we do have is we do have training on that inside the program as well. Okay. That's going to, I know in my community, I've got somebody that gives us training on what you need. Okay. So yes, it is taxable. Thank you. That's a great question. Because a lot of people think, and I remember one customer once said, she said, her husband asked, do you have to pay tax? And when I answered yes, she said, oh, well, then he said, okay, then this is a legit business. So yes, unfortunately, you're going to have to. Any other questions?
Okay, then we've got Paula, who is currently one of our community members. Paula has said, I have the $300 program, but I want to upgrade when I can. So will I then pay for the new website or use my current website? If I pay for the new website, does the current website expire and fall away? What happens with the $300?
Okay, so Paula, yes, your website is going to change, but it's not going to, you need to right. Let's say you're going to go from the 300 to the 1,400. You're going to pay your website fee again, but your domain stays the same. You don't have to go purchase another domain. You're just going to do your connection differently so that you have all the programs on your website now. So no, it doesn't really expire, but you need to change it because you've got more digital products on your website. I hope that makes sense, Paula. Okay, you understand that. Okay.
That's it.
Okay, there you go. Can I create my ebook using the Launchpad program, or do I need to upgrade to create one? Hello, Ray. You know what? No, you'll be able to learn how to do that. Ray, that's a great question. I have a mentee that has already created, she's on the $100. She's already created 2 you'll see she's in a community. We can have a chat. She's already created 2 ebooks for herself. So no, you're going to learn. If you go into the training, guys, remember in our community, there is so much training of all the replays. If there's any live training, the replays are put in the community as well. So there's so much training that you can go in there. Okay. The same Samsung SM, I don't know who that is. For the bank account, can I still use the one which I'm using? Okay. So Lindy, guys, if there's anybody in here already that's already in the program, This is really for people that we invited here. We're not going to go in too much detail. If you've got any questions, if you are on a WhatsApp group, please, you are welcome to ask me there or go into the community and ask questions, okay? Because that's what the community is there for. If you've got any question related to the business, please go into the community and ask them, okay? Is there anybody that is here that's been invited who's got any questions? Because we're not going to go into that right now. Okay. All right. So, guys, if you are ready tonight, if you are ready to change your life, if you want any other questions, then please go back to the person that invited you, okay? So that they can help you. So make sure that you go to the person that's helped you. So, guys, wonderful. Thank you so much again for joining tonight. I really hope that this gave you some hope, because that's what we want to give you tonight. I promise you there is. You just need to make that change, right? I want you to go and have a look in the look in the mirror, and that person's staring right back at you, just like Taz said. I promise you, you are worth it. You can do this, okay? So our Most High keep you and shine His face upon you and be gracious to you, my friend. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye, guys.